show you my new Big Hero 6 toy. It's called Firing on Team Fred, and his eyeball opens like that, and then it closes, and then his arms move, and his tail does move when it does come off, and I'll show you the fireball. So the fireball does this, and it shoots, and it does the cool feature about it, and it's so cool that I shoot it really far, and his arms move, and the bigger eyeballs do not move, just this eyeball, and you press down the legs. I'll show you that one more time, and then I will show you the eyeball.